So, hey everyone, this is Shubham Jindal in front of you, and I am from Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology, which is affiliated to IPU University, Delhi. Now, I am something learned from in my workshop. I learned about the leadership qualities and the find the leader in you. So basically, I'm here to tell you some what is the importance of these leadership qualities and what are the different pillars of the leadership qualities. So let's begin. Beside the pillars of the leadership qualities, I want to tell some norms of that leadership, or you can say that not the norms of the leadership, but actually these are the norms that is applied to the every person. Now, first norm is that listen actively and without interrupting. What it does mean is that you have to be listen actively to everyone's and without interrupting. After finishing their talk or after finishing their discussion, you can interrupt. Okay. Now, be second one is that be respectful to the other ideas. You have to be respect other ideas. Okay. So they the other think that he is a nice person, or he is a leader, whatever they think in their mind. Now, third one is be punctual and respectful to the allotted time. Punctuality is the most important in every field of the life. Okay. Now, fourth one is speak up. It is more important than you think. If you are suffering from any confusion, or if you are suffering from any misguiding, that then you have to be asked. Asking is more better than assuming that this go like that and etc. Okay. Now, the fifth one is be precise and to the point. If you are part of a discussion and if you are discussing something, then what we have to be you do is you to be precise and to the point. Not to there's a discussion on a several point and you have take the discussion to the another point. This will lose your confidence, as well as this will lose other activeness on yourself. Okay. Now, the sixth norm is that be don't monopolize time. Encourage everyone to speak. Don't consume whole the time of the discussion. Okay. Or you have to be given the time to the others to speak up. Okay. Now, seventh one, criticize ideas, not others. Basically, either ideas may be wrong, not the people's, and not the one that who is giving the ideas. Okay. So you have to be criticize the ideas, not the others. Okay. Now, if you disagree with some fact or some discussion etc, you have to be propose a idea which is better in your opinion. Okay. Not that you disagree with someone and you are not supposing or proposing any idea. Okay. So these are the norms which apply to every individual in their lives. Okay. Thank you.